My future mother-in-law demanded I sign a prenup, so I had my lawyer add a special clause she didn't notice. When Trevor proposed, I expected a ring. I got a 47-page legal document instead. His mother, Patricia, insisted. She owns a chain of dental practices across the state. Trevor manages 2 of them, pulls in $180,000 a year from a trust. Patricia wanted to make sure I wouldn't touch any of it. It's just standard, Trevor explained, sliding the papers across his table. Mom wants to protect the family assets. I teach 2nd grade. I make $42,000 a year and have $18,000 in student loans. I wasn't after his money, but Patricia treated me like I was. At engagement dinners, she'd introduce me as the teacher Trevor found, like I was a stray dog. She scheduled our wedding for a Tuesday afternoon, minimal cost. She picked my dress from a discount website. She invited 200 people from her country club and gave me 12 spots for my family. Trevor never pushed back. He'd just shrug and say, "That's just how mom is." I took the prenup to my uncle. He's been practicing family law for 32 years. He read through it carefully. "This is brutal," he said finally. "If you divorce, you get nothing. Even if he cheats, you leave with exactly what you brought in." I knew, but here's the thing, I added. "I need you to write a clause that protects me, but in legal language she won't understand. Make it look like it benefits her." My uncle smiled. "I love the way you think." We added section 12, subsection D, buried on page 31. The language was dense, full of words like heretofore and notwithstanding. It said this: if the marriage ends due to interference from a third party, specifically a parent of either spouse, all financial protections are void. The interfering party becomes liable for damages. Patricia's lawyer reviewed it. He worked for her firm. The lawyer approved it. Patricia signed as witness. Trevor signed. I signed. We were married on that Tuesday in a hotel conference room. The reception lasted 90 minutes. Patricia gave a speech about how proud she was that Trevor found someone so practical. Translation: cheap. For 14 months, I played the perfect daughter-in-law. I attended her charity luncheons. I laughed at her jokes about teachers' salaries. I sent thank you cards for gifts I never wanted. Then Patricia decided Trevor could do better. She introduced him to Veronica at a dental convention. Veronica's father owned medical supply companies. "Real money," Patricia said at Sunday dinner. "Better connections than education can provide." She was talking about me. I was sitting right there. Trevor started working late, coming home smelling like unfamiliar perfume. I said nothing, just documented everything. Texts, receipts, hotel charges on our joint credit card. Patricia called me one evening. "I think it's time you made this easy for everyone," she said. "Trevor's found someone more appropriate. I need you to file for divorce quietly. I'll give you $10,000 to leave without drama." I recorded the call. "That's very generous," I said. "Can I think about it?" "Take your time," she replied, "but not too much time." I called my uncle the next day. He contacted Patricia's lawyer. "We're filing for divorce," he explained. "Under section 12, subsection D." There was silence on the phone. Then, "What section?" My uncle read it slowly. Patricia had interfered directly in the marriage. She'd arranged an affair. She'd offered me money to leave. She'd admitted it all on a recorded phone call. According to the prenup she'd insisted on, she was now liable for damages. My uncle asked for $2 million. We settled for $1.4 million. Patricia tried to claim she didn't understand what she'd signed. The judge reminded her that she'd had it reviewed by her own attorney. Trevor lost his trust fund access. Patricia had to sell 2 dental practices to pay me. She tried calling me once after it was finalized. I didn't answer. Sometimes people ask if I planned it from the beginning. The answer is simple. I planned it from the moment she treated me like I was worthless. I just gave her the rope. She hanged herself with it.